So don't you fight it. So don't you fight it. Baby boy, hi everybody. Today's gonna be a different kind of day. So in today's video, I'm gonna allow Babe to pick everything for Valentine's Day. So he's gonna pick whether I wear my natural hair out, remove these twists out, or he's gonna pick out a wig. I picked 2 outfits, 2 shoes, and he's gonna pick the outfit. And I also pick out 2 different type of makeup. He's gonna pick the makeup look. This is going to be our 7th Valentine's Day together. 7 is the number of completion. So I think he's gonna choose the black jumpsuit, and he's gonna choose the belt. He's not gonna choose the belt to go with it, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with the belt. I think he's going to choose the single sole heels. To pick my natural hair, I pull out these twist outs and actually style my hair. And I think he's gonna choose the natural makeup with the red lip because he loves seeing me in a red lip. So Babe picked the opposite of everything that I thought he would pick, except the makeup. Don't know as much as I thought I did. So let's get into it. So all I'm doing is priming my skin with my Fenty Hydrating Primer, and I'm going in with my tried and true foundation from the drugstore, which I love. The L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation in Caramel Beige 90. And then I'm mixing the Infallible Pro Matte in 110 Cream Cafe. So all I did was go in with some brow gel, and I'm just filling in my sparse brows, and then I'm gonna go in and highlight. And this is actually a new highlighting technique that I've seen all over TikTok, which I've been doing, and it actually turned out really, really good. So you put your lighter concealer in the inner corner and outer corner, and then a concealer that is your skin tone in the middle, and it actually highlights your skin perfectly. I use the Hard Candy Glamorage concealer and then the Too Faced Multi-Sculpting Concealer. This is in Natural Beige, and this is in, I don't remember. This is in Caramel. This is a whole TikTok trend that I see that the UK girlies do. And he just chose glowy skin with lashes and a red lip. And I'll insert the picture, the reference picture that he picked. Radiance contour palette. I'm going to use the contour side.
So all I did was blend out my highlight and contour, and now I'm going to use some powder and set it and forget it.
Lotion, powder. I'm going to use credit.
So I'm using the brown color in that palette, and all I'm using is a liner brush, and I'm gonna line my eyes with that brown, kind of like if I'm doing a wing liner, and then I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush and kind of blend it out. I didn't want a stark, harsh eyeliner look like the reference picture that he picked, but I wanted something more sultry and blown out, and that's exactly what I did.
It was rest, okay, and New Year's all I did was stretch, okay, and Valentine's Day I had sex, okay, when people started having sex, okay, when people started having sex, okay, when people started having, I'm making a change today, the liquor been taking the pain away, I heard you was giving your chain away, that's kinda like giving your fame away, what's wrong with you, I sit in a box where the owners do, a boss is a road that I've grown into, I love you to death, but I told you the truth, hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in there.
This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Tried and True Mascara. And I don't like putting anything on my lower lash line because I kind of make it, I feel like it makes me look older or age.
So my favorite eyelash tip is to add mascara to the base of your lash, and then after you add that mascara, you're going to use your finger base of the lash and grab both your natural lash and the eyelash together, and you'll have a seamless eyelash look. No one can even tell that you have on lashes because it's going to be blended so perfectly once you use that trick.
They're the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins. It's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, easy and handed it off. I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win.
And baby, your wigs hit different with twists, okay? Why didn't anybody tell me? I've been doing braids my whole life for my wigs, and when I do twists, my wigs lay flatter on my head. I don't know what it is about these damn twists.
And a million in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress on the numbers. Hey, yeah, but I can say my.
So that little mirror was not doing anything for me. I actually needed a stand-in mirror where I could see myself, and I also needed to use both my hands. I find that doing wigs and stuff, the hardest part and the longest part of the installs are normally the baby hair, because I'm no expert at baby hair and it takes me forever to get them looking natural and not clumpy and stick down on your forehead. And so this took me a while, and I had to put down this mirror on my leg to get it done because I needed both of my hands to create these baby hairs.
How could you be young to cause me so much pain? After all of the days and all of the nights that we had shared, I could have sworn that you would never do me the way you did. And that's all of the plans and memories that we had made. Never knew you were capable of causing me so much pain. What was the reason why? Said you were in love with why? Oh, why? I cried so many nights, you said to just pretend you're
So this is Fenty Beauty's Stunner Lip Paint, and I'm also gonna make Babe tell you why he picked the hair, makeup, and dress.
All right, so I chose the green dress because I mean it's Valentine's. So the other option was a black pants and a black top, which did not fit the Valentine's thing. Plus, the green dress is sexy, right? So and it's Valentine's Day, so you're talking about sex and sexy and all that. And then the red lips, fire every time. She has beautiful lips, so put some red on it. I don't know, makes me think of fellatio, but not saying that that's what you get the point. The red lips bring out the red hair, the red wig. My options were to choose that red wig or her natural do. I love the natural hair, but again, this is Valentine's and this is spicing it up. So, green dress, red lip, red wig, my choice.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And I hope you guys have a amazing, wonderful Valentine's Day, and all your hopes and dreams for your Valentine's Day come true. And I'll see you in the next one. Same place, same time. Deuces.